Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today I'm back with another competitive exams question. What do we have here? They are asking us to find the sum in an easy way, right? So we have these numbers here, right? We always observe the question first, right? So we will look at it here. If we see we have 1 plus 2, like we are making it double, like we are multiplying between every next term. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, like that, and this number will be here like 256, right? So we know this, we are checking this pattern now. We know this pattern now, right? We need to find out the sum. But if I keep adding it, or like if I write it in a geometric progression, if you do not know that geometric progression anyways, we will be solving it, right? So how will we do it now? So I do not know what is the sum, but I do know that sum would be equal to a number. I do not know that number, so I will say that that number is a. Okay. So all when we add all these numbers, what will we get? We will get a. Right? I'm writing 256 here. Okay. Then since I know that every number is getting double, right? So what if I multiply with 2 on both sides? I multiply with 2 on both sides, right? What will I get? I will get 2 plus 4 plus 8. Every number will get double. This 256 will become 512, and this 512 will become 024. Right or not? And this is equal to a. Here we have 2a. So we got two statements now. One statement say that a is equal to this, and another says that 2a is equal to this. Right? What if, because I want to find out the value of a, right? So what will I do? I will subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. 2 minus 1, right? If I subtract this equation, all these numbers will become negative, right? And this minus this, it will cancel out this. All the numbers till 512 here, right? Here in equation number 2 we are left with 1024, and in equation number 1 we are left with 1. If I look at it on right hand side, it says 2a minus a, it would become a, right? Because we want to find out the value of a, right? So it would become 1023 is equal to a. So sum of all these numbers is what? It is 1023. And that was not hard at all, right? We need to check the pattern, observe the pattern, and then try to solve the question, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for more such questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.